And welcome back to Chris and Dad's Low Budget Cooking Show. What are we making today, Chris?
We are making blueberry chia seed pudding.
Ooh, look at this, the flyover, everything. Okay, what's the ingredients?
1.5 cups of frozen blueberries, 1 can full fat coconut milk, 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder, optional, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Also, half a cup of chia seeds.
All right, we're gonna need a food processor, a couple of containers,
And a little spatula thingy.
spatula, a spoon, and a couple of measuring cups. I think a half and a quarter cup is what we used. So what are we doing here, Chris?
Putting in the frozen blueberries, 1.5 cups.
Yeah, gotta be careful not to get blueberries on us because they will stain.
Now we are opening the coconut milk can.
Yeah, these cans can be a little difficult to get in.
Me pouring the coconut milk into the food processor.
Very good. Put about a little dash of vanilla, about a teaspoon's worth.
And now I am putting in the cocoa powder, a tablespoon
Yeah.
or 2.
And somewhere that I think that didn't make the video cut was me putting in a pinch of salt. I'm pretty sure I put it in, but somehow it didn't make the video cut. So we're now mixing it up in the mixer. And what's up next? Chris is gonna put in
Some chia seeds, half a cup.
Yep. So we put in 2 quarter cups, which equals half a cup. These chia seeds will stick to everything once they get a little wet, so that's why we're putting them in last. They also start to swell almost right away. So what are we doing here, Chris?
Now we are blending it for the second time,
Yep.
and we are getting ready to pour into the glass containers.
Yep. So what's the spatula? What are you using the spatula for?
Scraping out the chia seeds and putting them into the bottom so they don't stick everywhere.
That's right, they will stick.
So bringing out the glass jar thingy-mabobbers.
Yep. Pouring it out into the glass containers. This is coming out like liquid, but it's going to stiffen up when we
put it in the refrigerator.
That's right. Yeah.
Refrigerator.
All right, thumbs up. We made it. This took about 10 minutes maybe to get all this done. So pretty quick to put it all together.
So now we're ready to put it in the fridge.
All right. So we're gonna put these in the fridge.
For a minimum of 4 hours.
Yep. I like to leave them in a little longer than that, usually overnight. I find that they will continue to stiffen up past the 4 hours. Here's Chris giving a 4 for 4 hours. That's how long minimum you got to leave them in. I like to leave them in overnight.
This is the next day. I am taking out the pudding, and we are ready to eat.
All right, I can't wait. Be the first ones to eat the pudding. Wait, what happened here? Looks like somebody's already gotten into one of them. No, it wasn't me. Who was it?
I think it was Mom.
Oh, Mom. Mom likes the pudding as well.
And maybe me.
Maybe you?
Yeah, me.
Okay, well, we'll excuse it. The chef allowed in. So look at how stiff it's gotten. So that's about 1 serving. We put it in the little cups. Everyone gets a spoon, and we are good to go. All right, so enjoy.